Hey everyone, Jason here. Welcome to my knot channel. Today we're going to tie the Hattori Hanzo Paracord Bracelet. We're starting off with two colors of paracord joined together on a 4-strand core double cow's hitch bracelet setup. If you're not sure how to do this 4-strand double cow's hitch setup, I have a dedicated tutorial that shows how. Link in the description. Now, to begin the weaving pattern, I'm going to take the left strand and pass it down between the two left core strands, and then through its own loop. Then I'll pass the right strand over the working end of the left strand, and then down through the center of the core strands. Then I pass it through the loop of the left strand and under itself, as shown here. From there, I'm going to carefully cinch everything up towards the buckle as I tighten the first weave. You want to make sure you push your weave up towards the buckle as you cinch out any excess paracord. With the first weave completed, I'm now going to pass the silver strand down through in between the outer right core strands and then through its own loop again. The blue strand then goes down through the center core strands and then through the loop of the silver strand and under itself. Once again, cinch everything upwards as you tighten the weaves. And now we've completed the second full weave of the Hattori Hanzo Paracord Bracelet. From here, we can continue the weaving pattern down to the other end. When we get to the other end of our bracelet, all I do is finish my last weave by passing both of my working ends through the outside core strands, so they finish at the back of the bracelet. Then remove the bracelet from the jig, cut the ends, melt them, and squish them flat. And that's the Hattori Hanzo Paracord Bracelet. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.